Good morning students. Today we learn the properties of natural resources. In the previous period we learn about the properties of air. Now today we will learn the properties of water. There are three main properties of water. That is, water has no color. पाण्याला रंग असतो का? नसतो. Water has no taste. पाण्याला चव असते का? नसते. Water has no shape. मीन्स पाण्याला आकार सुद्धा नसतो. द नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज द डेन्सिटी ऑफ वॉटर. डेन्सिटी मीन्स व्हॉट? डेन्सिटी मीन्स घनता. डेन्सिटी मीन्स घनता. द इंटर रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द वॉल्यूम अँड मास of the substance. The space occupied by the substance is its volume. Occupied by the substance. Space occupied by the substance, that is volume. And the store of matter in the substance, it is mass. Store of matter in the substance, that is mass. It means density is equal to mass upon volume. Density is equal to mass upon volume, and mass is measured in gram. Mass is measured in gram and volume is measured in cubic centimeters. Cubic centimeters. Therefore, the unit of density is gram per cubic centimeters. Now, the next part is properties of water, that is the things which are lighter than the water. The things which are lighter than the water means ज्या हलक्या वस्तू असतात, पाण्यापेक्षा हलक्या वस्तू will float on the water. त्या पाण्यावर काय होतात? तरंगतात. And the things which are heavier than the water will sink in the water. ज्या पाण्यापेक्षा जड असतात त्या पाण्यामध्ये बुडतात. Now we do small experiment to show these things. Okay. Now we have this thing, that is rubber. This is the eraser. This is the sharpener. This is matchsticks. And this is a small stone. Now let's see which things are float on the air and which things are float on the water and which things are sink into the water. First, stone. Stone is sink into the water. Stone is sink into the water. Now the second thing is matchsticks. Where is matchsticks? Matchsticks are floating on the water. Third, these are the rubber. This is the rubber. Rubber is also floating on the water. Now the eraser. Where are the eraser? Eraser is sink into the water. Eraser is sink into the water. The next is sharpener. Sharpener is also sink into the water. It means the lighter things, that is rubber, matchsticks, are floating on the water, and the heavy things, eraser, sharpener, stone, etc., heavy things are sink into the water. It means the things which has the less density, floating on the water, and the things which has the higher density sink into the water. Understand? Now the second experiment.
Go.
The second experiment about the water and the ice. Ice is also water, but the solid states of water. water, and this is the liquid state. Now what will happen when we put the ice in the water? Let's see. What will happen? Ice is floating on the water. Ice is floating on the water. It means ice has a less density. Ice has a less density than water. Ice is also water, but ice has less density of water. It means when water freezes, when water is in solid state, it has a less density than the liquid state, original liquid state of water. Understand this? Now the next part is solution. What is solution? What we get when the solute dissolves in solvent, that is solution. Solute dissolves in solvent, that is solution. Solution has two parts, solute and solvent. Solution has two parts, that is solute and solvent. What is meant by solute? The substance which dissolves. The substance which dissolves. जो पदार्थ विरघळतो तो solute. Solvent, the substance in which the solute dissolves, it means solvent. The substance in which the solute dissolves, it means solvent. ज्या पदार्थामध्ये विरघळतोय तो पदार्थ म्हणजे solvent. Understand? Now we learn the solution by a small experiment. There are two things, that is a glass of water and the salt. A glass of water and the salt. Now we add this salt in this water. Okay, can you see the salt? Can you see the salt? Yes, some particles of salt can we see. Now we dissolve the salt in the water. Now we dissolve the salt in the water. After some time, can you see the salt in the water? No. Can you see the salt in the water? No. It means this salt totally dissolved into the water. This salt totally dissolved into the water. Now this is the solution. This is the solution. And salt is a solute. The substance which dissolves. The substance which dissolves. What is dissolved? Salt is dissolved. It means salt is solute. And in which salt dissolve? In the water. It means water is a solvent. Understand this? And the solute and solvent makes a solution. Makes a solution. Understand?